Hello ladies and germs. This is a short video of an event that we did at the place I work. I decided to do Wheel of Fortune with a coworker. It was a lot of work, but it was quite fun. The Arduinos are controlling a few things. The wheel only has an Arduino that controls LEDs, addressable LEDs. The rest is just wood and lights. The board has another Arduino, and the Arduino is controlled by a box that mimics a keyboard, and it triggers a macro on an Excel sheet. So once you press a button, the Excel sheet activates macro, and it makes it look like you're changing the actual letters and the scores, etc. We also had another box with another Arduino that control video cameras. We had about 4 angles just with cheap webcams. And then we had a host who would press on the board and would activate a macro based on the touch sensor that each letter had. So it was quite realistic, and the color here is a little bit off on the board, but we fixed that a little bit later. And then we broadcasted the whole thing to the building to avoid having too many people in the room, because it's just a small conference room and we didn't have anywhere else to do it. We also wanted to avoid the whole COVID thing, so we didn't want 100 people in that room. So we broadcasted the whole thing to TV monitors and in the building, which just added to the whole game show kind of thing, which was kind of nice. People really enjoyed this. We recorded some of the events and then we played them back later. So that's all it is. I'll be doing a couple of tutorials on specific things. I won't do the whole tutorial on the whole project because it's quite a lot of things. But if you have any ideas, just put a comment down in the comments, and then I'll see if I can do a specific video if you have a specific part that you want to see. Other than that, I'll just be posting slowly some of the parts of the whole build. It was a lot of fun, and I hope you'd like it, and I hope you perhaps subscribe to my so-called YouTube channel. There's nothing in here, so there's nothing to see, but I will be posting a few videos on the Arduinos and how I made the whole thing, and how I programmed the Excel sheets and the LED lights and all that stuff. Okay, thanks guys. See you next time.